Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact model and firmware number in the OSD. This prevents wrong files. Once confirmed, plug the monitor into your Windows PC via USB-C or DisplayPort and power it to a steady on state. Make sure sleep is disabled. Then, download the official firmware file and the ASUS firmware update utility to a single folder. Keeping files together avoids mistakes. Finally, close unnecessary apps and temporarily disable antivirus, so the updater can run uninterrupted and write to the monitor. You now run the ASUS updater as administrator, so it has permissions to access USB and monitor firmware. When the utility opens, select the downloaded firmware file and ensure the tool detects PG32UCDM as the target. This selection is critical. Click Update and watch the progress bar. The utility writes in stages and verifies each block. Do not disconnect cables, change inputs, or power cycle the monitor. Interrupting the write can brick the unit. If progress pauses, be patient. Small delays are normal during verification. Once the updater reaches 100% and shows a success message, you can safely close the utility and reboot the monitor and PC. Power cycle everything in sequence to let the new firmware initialize. After restart, verify the OSD firmware version, reapply any custom color calibration, and check HDR, adaptive sync, and input behavior. If something goes wrong, first retry the update using a different high-quality cable or another PC. And if problems persist, perform the monitor factory reset. That often clears residual settings left by old firmware.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.